Hello and welcome to the Tech Narratives. Today I want to share with you a quick review of my custom Victorinox multi-tool and to show you the modifications I did. I think if Victorinox actually produced this model, they would probably named it Cyber Tinker Compact or something like that. Originally it was a Victorinox Handyman. So let's look at the tool itself. On the first layer we have a knife. We have a knife, a combo tool, and a corkscrew. So originally, instead of a combo tool, there was a small blade, and there was a separated layer for bottle opener and for can opener. It was here. But combo tool can do both, and I didn't really use small blade, so I think to have a combo tool and to save weight on additional layer is much better. Then we have a wood saw and the file. Pretty typical for a lot of Victorinox knives. And on the opposite side of these tools, Victorinox usually puts a small flathead screwdriver and a chisel, but in my case it's different. I put there a big Phillips head screwdriver from Tinker. So it's here, as you can see. Looks like that. So initially the liner between a saw and the file was much higher, this liner, and I had to grind it down to the level of the springs, and I also had to add a spacer in order to screwdriver to fit properly. So this is the spacer. Unfortunately, so now it fits fine, as you can see, but unfortunately you cannot open it with a nail, only with tweezers. Maybe you have to have a big nail to open it. And also I had to grind down one side of the screwdriver and then to polish it, but nevertheless it works fine. And also you can apply a lot of force with it when screwing. Moving to the next tools, we have Victorinox small pliers. No modification there. A really great tool, useful to have. Really like it and use frequently. Then we have a bead driver. So this one, it's not original, it's from a Chinese knockoff of Cyber tool, because I just couldn't justify for myself buying a whole new Cyber tool just to disassemble it. Beads are held by the magnet, so they won't fall, and they hold by the magnet here as well, so they won't fall. And these are rather high quality beads from Hoto Precision screwdriver, and a little bonus that comes with them is that they are security Torx, not regular. So security means that it has a small hole in the center of the bead. And finally, we have a scissors, regular Victorinox regular Victorinox scissors cuts like a champ, but on the opposite side we have not a parcel hook but a punch. I believe that it's much more useful than a parcel hook that I never used. This mod 1 second, I'll show it to you. So you can open it with a nail, but I have rather small nails, so I will open it with tweezers as well. So looks like this, that. And this mod became possible after adding a small washer there. So I mean there, due to original hook is a bit thicker than a punch. So in order it to fit properly, you need a small washer. So the knife also has a tweezers, a toothpick, a pen, and a pin inside scales, and also a small flathead screwdriver in the corkscrew. So that's all I have to share for now. If you like the content, please feel free to press like button and to subscribe not to miss following videos. See you in the next one and have a nice day.